Hi guys! Today we are gonna upload a video. Blind taste test part 2. We are taking like some 30 million seconds to come here. Yeah. We took like some 2 minutes. And we're making some juice, it seems, guys. Let's see what.
I hope it doesn't have rotten plants in it.
Yeah. And he's a co-director who cries.
Yeah. He just finished fighting with Sanjay.
And I'm not there now.
Yeah. Hello guys! Are you ready for our food? Oh, finally we came after 1 year, guys.
Mystery food started. Sanjay, go and get the food.
Ready?
Hey, I'll tell you. Hey, tie both of them.
Yeah. Hey, just hold it, don't fight.
Yeah, we'll just hold it.
Okay.
Sanjay, get ready for the plates.
Okay.
I hope it's not rotten.
It's not.
I think give us a clue. No.
Hey, did you give us a clue?
Yes, we did.
No, you didn't.
Guys, we gave him a clue, right? Comment down below if we gave him a clue or not.
No, guys. Stop.
Don't do it, guys. Don't listen to the code.
Don't listen to the boy who's with telling subscribe.
Please subscribe and like because he's having a really hard time.
Shut up! I'm not.
He's having a really fun time. Guys, are you gonna tie it or not?
Drew just told that we just hold it. So I just hold.
We can't see. Is it this okay?
Why don't I just like? I do seriously.
Hey! I can't breathe now! Guys, they're trying to kill me and kidnap me, guys. Ah! Good job.
Day, can you breathe? Can you see?
Everything is not good, guys. This is the co-director's hand.
Bro, wait, Sanjay, not ready.
Now I'm ready.
Ready.
I'll feed you.
Ready. Open the door. I don't think our friend Sanjay can open the door. Okay.
No. Don't peek. I can't breathe there.
I don't hold it. I can't breathe.
Okay. No peek.
Sanjay, get ready. Put both of the plates in.
Yeah, he's trying to pee.
Guys,
these both. This for both of them. Oh, this for Drew. This for Advik.
Okay, first food. Hey, give the other plate to him.
Yeah, I can't breathe. Stop holding me like that.
Chiku.
No, eat that.
Eat it, bro.
And eat it.
Eat.
I can't eat that.
It's hard, da. Okay, close, dummy.
Hey, who told you to put that one?
Then what? Chiku.
Okay.
Next food.
There, you already saw.
I know that this guy. Okay, Advik see.
Oh, no, Advik's not going to see.
Now let's add.
He forfeited, so.
I'm
not sure.
I can't become my braces.
Yeah, wait, show
With
your
the tulsi and the
hand. Show your
mixture.
hand.
Again, see? Again, sure. Little give it. Eat. Kara bundi.
No. That's not what it said.
Now this.
They already ate that.
Chiku.
Hey, what is Chiku? They stop eating like he's some papa baby. Oh, already 3
Your
minutes.
hand.
It's gonna be 4 minutes.
Now.
What's the secret juice? Willy Wonka created it. Pokemon. How is it? Taste?
Japanese.
Nice.
What does it taste like?
Lemon. Okay, I know all the things. Kara bundi or mixture, I don't know.
Okay.
Something in that.
Okay.
Chiku.
Please give us some support, guys.
And
Sanjay
lemonade.
need some support.
I think it's in this one. Yup.
Oh, Kara bundi, Chiku, lemonade.
Wrong answer.
What?
Electrolytes. That's not lemonade, bro. We gave you electrolytes. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
And please leave a comment if I cheated or not.
Please.